Here at Nature One Dairy, we strongly believe in using the best ingredients sourced directly from nature for our products. We blend natural ingredients with our specially designed formulas to create a range of products that have the highest nutritional value in the market today. Our motto in the factory is to do it right the first time, and we follow the most stringent industry standards for hygiene and safety. We're proud to say that our products ship worldwide, reaching markets in China and Vietnam. Here in Australia, we're even responsible for making infant formula for Coles, one of the top 3 supermarket chains down under. Nature One Dairy, your natural choice in dairy food products globally.